Tuesday, and I've been kind of wondering why I don't have a whole lot of views on some of my videos. So I was trying to figure out, what am I doing wrong here, right? I figure with a brand new Colorado, I ought to be getting all kinds of views. I was looking at some other Colorado videos out there, and I'm like, why does this guy have 3,000 views in like 20 days on one video? And all he's done is just something like Colorado mods, you know, put in the LED lights. Who hasn't seen that before, you know? Or he changed out the Chevy emblem on here. He didn't like the one he had, so he put a black one on there. I don't see why anybody would want to watch that. I mean, what's so big about the emblem? Mine came black already. I mean, he did the headlight upgrade, you know, put the LED bulbs and all that stuff, and like, okay, nothing new about that. On this truck, I've done some mods. I mean, I didn't change light bulbs out and all that stuff. I mean, I tore through the whole suspension on this thing already. This is a 2018 LT model. I even put the tires on myself, hand mounted them. Did a custom job on the wheels. The kit I got came with lift blocks. Those are gone. I upgraded to some springs. I did the install myself. I actually did the install on the whole kit. I did all my lights. I did all the wiring. I got a dual battery system. I did all that wiring myself. I did the wiring over here. I got videos doing the bumper install. See this swing out tire carrier? This is actually off a Toyota Tacoma. I also did all the work inside the shell there. This is where all my power is. My oh, why is the inverter on still? Doggone it. See, my inverter's on right now. See it lit up? Don't know why I left it on, but yeah, I put all this in myself. I did all the wiring. Turn that off. And because I have dual batteries, and I got a battery isolator over here from Blue Sea Systems, I'm just running off the deep cycle battery. Everything back here, the lights on the roof, all run off the deep cycle battery. My compressor, so I don't have to worry about wearing down my start battery, you know. The engine battery's in the front, this is in the rear. This switch here actually connects the two batteries if I need to hook up both batteries at the same time, or it cuts both batteries off. See, off, one on, two on, one on. And the isolator up here automatically connects the two so they both get charged. Yeah, so anyway, anybody got some ideas out there? How do I get more views on it here? I don't get it. I just don't get it. I mean, doing a quick search, Colorado mods, you know. Oh, I'm on there, I pop up. I got 3.2 thousand views, but the video's been up 2 months already. Okay. This guy's got 1.8 thousand views, and his video's only been up a week. A week. And all the mods he did are just cosmetic stuff. I mean, I'm not big on the cosmetic stuff. I'm into the functional stuff here. Functionality, right? Here's another one, 2018 Chevy Colorado mods. He's got a video, it's been up 3 weeks, he's already got 1,000 views. And I'm looking at the truck, I'm like, I don't see anything so great about that truck. Looks like a grocery getter. Looks like a grocery getter to me. I don't get it. Yeah, so I figure I gotta be doing something wrong. You know, first thing I thought when I bought this truck, this would be perfect to get some more subscribers and viewers let's start with a brand new truck here, right? I've already done Broncos, I did Super Duties, I did the Tacoma. You know, if you look at some of my videos, I know some of you guys want more Bronco videos, but what more can I do on the Bronco? I went through the whole front end. I even tore the transmission apart and put it back together. I even rolled it over on its side and did the body work and put it back together. Still not getting a whole lot of views there, so why should I make any more Bronco videos? It's costing me money to do this stuff, you know, and I don't see no money coming in from this. So that's number one why I was thinking of selling the Bronco. It's just move on to something else. So I got something else here, but I'm still not getting the views. You think people would want to know shit on this truck? So I figured I got to be doing something wrong. Here's a guy, Horsepower Obsessed is his YouTube channel. He's got 5 things he dislikes about his Colorado, and it's silly shit, you know, like the lights. How come it doesn't have HIDs or LEDs? You know, weird stuff like that. Or he doesn't like the interior colors. None of that matters to me. It's just more of the functional stuff, you know. But he's got 15,000 views in 1 month. Holy cow, I don't think I got 15,000 views in any of my videos, any of my Colorado videos. I've had this truck a year already. Here's another one, Moto Life. He's got 1,000 views, and it looks like it's just a regular Colorado to me. I don't see nothing special about that. See anything special there? He's got off-road tires on it, but it looks a little too pretty to take off-road. So you guys got any suggestions? Leave them there in the comments. Boy, here's a guy who's got dislikes and mods. 1 year ago he's got 27,000 views. Where's my video here? Electrical mods. 5 months, I only got 900 views. I mean, and I did all this stuff myself. I didn't take it to the shop. I did all the electrical. I did the install on the suspension kit. So anyway, yeah. So let me know what you think, because I'm running out of ideas here. I mean, am I wasting my time with this? I don't get it.